Hi everyone, wanted to make a quick video here of the Joying basically head unit for they make a variety of different head units for a variety of different products. This is a Honda Insight 2019 that I've went ahead and installed. It took quite a bit of time to get the proper wiring from Joying. The ones they've sent in the mail were not the proper ones, so it took a very long time, almost several months, to get the proper ones within the mail. And in terms of installation, it does have a variety of different instructions that do come with it. They're not the best instructions, to be honest. This is basically it. This is the instructions that you'll be provided, so it's not really the best. In terms of setting it up with the driver buttons and functionality, it is not doable. It's almost impossible to do that in terms of that. Now, in terms of this head unit, it's a very nice head unit, actually. I'm very impressed by it. One thing is, it does heat quite a bit. I'm touching it right now on the bottom. It is very hot, and I've had it now on for the past 5 or 10 minutes. So it's not really cool to the touch, and I can only imagine if you're driving in the sun or heat of the summer. Right now it is, let's go ahead and zoom there, 75 degrees outside during the night. So as you can imagine, if it's here on your dash during the summer, it is going to heat up very, very heavily. Now, I do like this dash. It's a very, very nice dash unit. It does have some interactive things with it. A lot of the functionality, though, does not work. For example, Zlink. Zlink basically is, let's go ahead and click on it here. Zlink, what it basically does, like Apple CarPlay. This is what it is for the Joying vehicle. So it's a great app, but it doesn't work. And I have Wi-Fi connected, including USB. So you're able to connect it via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, but unfortunately it does not work. And as you can see here, well, let's go on to the other ones. We'll come back to that. But another thing is YouTube. YouTube is great, but if you want to be able to watch a video, it's almost impossible. You cannot watch a video. So now, the thing is, you can be able to split the screen too, and you can see right here, this doesn't show up. It shows the logo of that channel, but I've tried a variety of different apps. It still doesn't, not apps, videos, and it still does not work. And I have updated it via the App Store. So the App Store, the Play Store, I mean, it is updated via the Play Store to the most updated software update there is for this Android unit. So that's another downfall. Great thing is Waze does work. Video player does work. Navigation, you can be able to set it as in the beginning as Google Maps or whatnot. One thing is you've got FM radio, and I'm still figuring this out here. Let's go ahead and close out Zlink, and I want to be able to. So you're gonna have to go through here in terms of raising and lowering the volume, which is a pain because it's a very small touch button that you press on, and because there's no knob or there's no wheel or button functionality, because that's just gone out the window, you're gonna have to rely on the head unit and that small little button there. Let's continue forward. And there's another thing called easy connection, and as you can see here, this version is not used in the original car navigator, only for retrofitting, which is fine with me. And I have an iPhone, so if I click on iPhone here, it tries to connect. It says turn on AirPlay and select EC AirPlay QX, which I've done, but this does not work. So I can be able to show it to you in a second here.